Chicken korma is a delicious and rich Indian dish that features tender chicken cooked in a creamy and flavorful sauce. Here's a simple recipe to make chicken korma. Ingredients: 1. 1 kg chicken, cut into pieces. 2. 2 large onions, finely chopped. 3. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil or ghee. 4. 1 cup plain yogurt, curd, whisked. 5. 1/2 cup heavy cream, or substitute with coconut cream for a dairy-free version. 6. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, made from equal parts crushed ginger and garlic. 7. 1/4 cup ground almonds or cashews, or almond, cashew paste. 8. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 9. 1 teaspoon ground coriander. 10. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder. 11. 1/2 teaspoon chili powder, adjust to your spice preference. 12. 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. 13. 1/4 teaspoon ground cardamom. 14. Salt, to taste. 15. Fresh coriander leaves, cilantro, for garnish. 16. Sliced almonds for garnish, optional. Instructions. Marinate the chicken. 1. In a large bowl, combine the chicken pieces with half of the yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a pinch of salt. 2. Mix well, cover, and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes, or longer in the refrigerator for more flavor. Prepare the nut paste. 1. If using ground almonds or cashews, you can make a paste by blending them with a little water until smooth. 2. Alternatively, you can use store-bought almond or cashew paste. Cook the onions. 1. Heat the oil or ghee in a large, deep pan over medium heat. 2. Add the chopped onions and sauté until they turn golden brown. 3. Stir occasionally to prevent burning. Spices and nut paste. 1. Once the onions are golden, add the ground cumin, ground coriander, turmeric powder, chili powder, and ground cardamom. 1. Cook the spices for a minute or 2 until fragrant. 2. Add the almond or cashew paste to the pan and cook for another couple of minutes, stirring well to incorporate everything. Cook the chicken. 1. Add the marinated chicken to the pan and mix it with the spice and onion mixture. 2. Cook the chicken until it's lightly browned on all sides. Simmer. 1. Reduce the heat to low, and now add the remaining yogurt to the pan, along with the heavy cream or coconut cream. 2. Stir well to combine. 3. Cover the pan and let the chicken simmer on low heat until it's cooked through and tender. 4. This usually takes around 20-25 minutes. 4. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Adjust seasoning. 1. Taste the sauce and adjust salt and spices according to your preference. 2. If you want a richer flavor, you can add a bit more garam masala at this stage. Garnish and serve. 1. Once the chicken is cooked and the sauce has thickened, turn off the heat. 2. Garnish the chicken korma with fresh coriander leaves and sliced almonds, optional. 3. Serve the chicken korma hot with steamed rice, naan, or any Indian bread of your choice. Enjoy your homemade chicken korma, and savor the delightful flavors of this classic Indian dish.